Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elena and thanks for stopping by. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. So anyway, let's get right to it. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I've stepped outside of my comfort zone and purchased 3 different wigs from a company called HairVivi. I've been completely impressed with the overall quality, the customer service, just everything about these wigs is perfect. The wigs that I chose are ones that are on their website, and I just selected what size I want, what length I want, the head shape, the color, and that was it. I mean, it was pretty simple. So anyway, it's fun just trying different looks, and this is what it came in, and it's super cute. I mean, they've got their own packaging and it's got their logo on there that says HairVivi, and this is what is inside the box. So the card that you get inside the box, it says, "Love her and she loves you back. Wash hair twice a week, keep it clean." So it's basically directions on how to care for your wigs, because of course these are human hair wigs. And you've got the 2 nude color wig caps, and I believe you can get these on Amazon, but it's always nice just, you know, that they send these to you for free. You also get 2 clips, so that way you can kind of pull your hair back on the wig to trim the lace. And then you also get a comb. It's nice that you get all these little extra freebies. So let's get into these hair pieces. I'm really excited to show you guys what they look like. Like I said, there's 3 different looks. I did go ahead and cut the lace off so that way I could try these on for you guys. Darn dog. This one here, I don't think she has a name. If she did, I must have missed it, and I will research and I'll link that below in the description. But anyway, this one here is like I said, it's a black brown wig, and it is the luxury pony, which is 100% human hair, virgin hair. It's never been touched, never been colored. So I did get the medium, which is a 22.5. So I did go up an inch. And with this one, she is full front bleached knots. She also is a 360 wig, which with a 360 wig, you can wear this one up in a bun. You can wear it in a ponytail. It has the lace that goes all around the edges of your hairline. You can glue it down and it looks completely like your own hair. So anyway, let's look at this one. She does have the bleached knots in the front. So let's look at that. Here is what she looks like. And with her, you also have the 5.5 inch part on the inside. You've got a few more extra, no, it's about the same. You've got 2 side combs. You also have the front comb. You also have the adjustable strap on the inside with, again, HairVivi's logo on there. And you have the back comb. So anyway, I'm excited. Let's go try this one on. All right, so with these wigs, you always want to put these on from front to back. And voila. So there is this piece right here. Very, very impressed with this one. Like I said, this one is 18 inches, and that is where 18 inches sits on me. It makes me happy. I like it. So anyway, okay, so this next one I thought would be my favorite. I was expecting it to be a little bit darker, and when they said dirty blonde, I'm thinking a little bit darker than my color, right? I'm thinking more of maybe this color here. No. This one here, her name is Jessica, 100% virgin hair, 18 inches long. She has a nice body wave to her. When I got it, she was very tight. Like the waves were so kinky curly. I wasn't sure. I was about to send it back. And the knots in the front were supposed to be bleached. I don't think they were as bleached as they should have been. Now, compared to the last wig I showed you, those knots were completely bleached. This one is 150% density. I did order a medium cap this time, and I could have been completely fine with sticking with the small, but I did go up a size, and I'm glad I did. So for those of you that do have a smaller head, you have the size 21 size head, I would go with a medium, and you can always adjust it with the straps that it comes with. You can glue it down with the got2b glue. Yeah, so definitely go up a size. Let me show you what she looks like. So anyway, like I said, her name is Jessica, and this is what she looks like. Now, do you guys think this is dirty blonde? No, I don't think so. Maybe the roots are dirty blonde, but this is a lot lighter than my hair, and mine is more of a golden dirty blonde. It's a beautiful, beautiful wig. She's got really, really nice waves, very shiny. You can run your fingers through each one of these wigs and it does not get stuck like synthetic hair. All my synthetic wigs, oh God, I can't stand it. After you go with a human hair wig, you never want to go back. Let me just tell you, you never ever want to go back to synthetic hair. It's fun to play with, but please don't try and run your fingers through it. Anyway, let's talk a little bit about her. So she has the dirty blonde roots, okay? And with her roots, they should have been bleached and they're not. You can see the little dark spots in the roots. So with that, I'm probably gonna have to use a little bit of foundation to kind of hide that a little bit. Inside, it's a 5.5-inch parting. You could part it just about anywhere you want to. And of course, it does come with their little strap and it's got the logo as well. It also has the adjustable little attachments on it. You can also take this thing completely out if you'd like to. It's got the comb in the front, 2 combs on the side, and 1 in the back. It is a glueless wig. If you want, you can just put this on and go. For me, I think I would have to glue it down just because I would feel like it's a little more secure. I think with this wig, it's a little bit light. It is beautiful. I may end up darkening this wig. So that is what she looks like from the back and then the front. So let's check out this next one. Okay, so here is the other one. This one here is the Jessica, and I don't know, I'm just not completely impressed with this color. The overall wig, the quality and everything is perfect. I feel like it washes me out, but I could be wrong. Anyway, you guys leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. But this is what she looks like. So this one is 18 inches as well. And it is a very nice little beach wave. It kind of reminds me of Splash, the old movie back in the 80s, I believe it was. So there's what she looks like from the side. And the back. And here is what the parting looks like. Now I have to say I do like that it does come with these like little wispy baby hairs. So it kind of makes it look a little more natural. The sides do come down long enough to where I could pull this up and it looks real because you do see the dark roots, and I would just have to glue that down. But with the other wig, the CC wig, it's not like that. And this one also has the wispies on the side as well. So you could do a center part if you want, or also a side part. So as far as I know, I like doing the center part with this type of wig. Now a side part would look more like that. So there we go. We'll put this back in the center. This next wig is my favorite wig. I don't know. It feels comfortable. And I feel like it just matches my skin and everything. So it looks like it's me, you know what I mean? This is what she looks like. Her name is Cece, and she is a Ombre Balayage. It's a beach wave. So the hair type on this one is a luxury pony, which basically means that it is fresh virgin hair that has never been touched. And I believe once HairVivi gets the hair, they change the hair color and they do it themselves. So this hair has been highlighted. The length is, they said it's 20 inches, but I think it's a lot longer than that because when I wear this wig, it goes all the way down to my mid back. The density of this wig is 150%, and I feel like the top might be 150, but towards the ends, it kind of thins out, so I don't feel like it's 150%, but I could be wrong. Synthetic hair, it does feel a lot thicker, so when they say it's 150% density, it feels a lot thicker. But with human hair, this one here, she definitely feels a lot thinner. Now we can talk about the cap construction. So I ended up getting a size small, and the size small ranges from, I think it's 21.5 inches. And that was the same size as what my head was. So here is what the inside of the cap looks like. They do have a few combs on the inside. They have one right here on the front, and then of course they've got one on each side and then one in the back. If you prefer to take this out, you can. Like I said, it's like a bra strap. It's got the little clips on the inside. The parting's already been plucked out, but I may end up plucking out just a little bit more. And like I said, I did go ahead and trim out the lace around the front, and I may end up plucking a little bit more around here and then pull out a few little baby hairs. Make it look a little more natural. So this is what she looks like from the top. And then towards the bottom, you've got the blonde balayage style. With this color, this is my favorite color. I love the brown. I just feel like my skin tone matches the brown very well. And the blonde on the ends is more of a golden blonde. So let's go try this one on. I do like the color. The length is a 20-inch. Which I seriously think that it's longer than 20 inches. It is very thick up here on the top, so I may need to flatten that down just a little bit more, so that way it's kind of like this, because right now there's just way too much volume and it does not look like me. Anyway, if you guys have any tricks on how to flatten that down, I would appreciate that. Help a girl out. And this is what the hairline looks like. And of course you can see my wig cap through this one. But that's okay. It has really nice highlights going through it all the way down to the end, and it goes into the blonde balayage color. So it's a very nice looking wig. The color, I love it. I love the brown and the blonde mixed. Totally different look compared to what my hair looks like and the other two wigs. Now with this one, I did say that since it is a very small cap, the hairline only stops to here. So I wouldn't be able to pull this one back like I would like to. So that's what you can see. I may go ahead and take a few little pieces out so that way I have some like wispies. But overall, it's a very beautiful color wig. I'm very happy with the purchases, and like I said, don't make the same mistake I did and go with a small unit, because this one is a small and it is very small. Go up the next size, so go with a medium. I will also list all the information below in the description on each one of these units. So there you have it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Take two. All right, we're struggling just a bit here. Help a girl out.